How to hide activity on LinkedIn. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up LinkedIn on a device. Now tap on profile at the top left corner. Now simply tap on settings. Now wait for some time. Then tap on visibility. Now tap on edit your public profile. Then scroll down. Now under edit visibility, turn off the toggle for articles and activity. Now simply go back. Now scroll down. Now tap on Manage Activity Status. Select No One and simply go back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.